Uganda is a very safe country. In some associations, Uganda is also helping a lot of local workers, local people. Every year, Pakistan Association Uganda organize.
Assalamu alaikum friends and hello everybody. This is Kareem again. Today I've got very special guests with me, two very honorable people. One is Ghulam Rabbani. He's the chairman of Pakistan Association Uganda. And the second guest I have is Imran Nadeem. He's the general secretary in Pakistan Association Uganda. They will be actually telling you what they have been doing in Uganda for Ugandans and for everybody over here as they work in Pakistan Association Uganda. This is Mr. Ghulam Rabbani. He's the chairman of Pakistan Association Uganda. Assalamu alaikum sir, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, and here we have Mr. Imran Nadeem. He's the general secretary of Pakistan Association Uganda. Assalamu alaikum sir, how are you?
Islam, sir,
Ji, alhamdulillah. How many Pakistanis are there?
Approximately 5,000.
Approximately 5,000 Pakistanis are there.
5,000.
And they also have families here?
Most of people have families.
So like out of 100%, if I ask, how many percent have families here?
50%.
50% have families?
Yes.
Whoa, that's a good number. Okay.
Families.
Right.
Maybe more than 50.
Maybe more than 50.
Actually, Pakistan Association Uganda was doing a lot of social work for the local community as well as for the Pakistani community in Uganda.
Okay.
We are trying to help all the Pakistani community, Pakistani peoples in Uganda. You know, there are very many issues. Sometimes you find some people's got some sickness where they are not able to pay.
Okay.
Some got some other issues. Some got some police issues. Some got personal issues.
Right.
A lot of peoples who just come to Uganda for some work, but you find them that they are not in a good way for the residential in the start or what. And Pakistan Association Uganda always support them in a proper way. A part of that, Pakistan Association Uganda is also helping a lot of local workers, local peoples here. For example, we are doing a lot of medical camps where local communities are free to be have a free treatment. We are having a blood donation camps where only few communities are doing blood donation camps.
Okay.
And Alhamdulillah, Pakistan Association Uganda have done a very successful blood donation camps in the 2019.
Okay.
And also we are doing in Ramadan, a lot of Muslim community are available in Uganda. We are giving the Ramadan package to poor Muslims who cannot afford for fasting and for fasting time periods. So we are giving them for Sahar and Iftar some food, some cash to celebrate the Ramadan and also celebrate the Eid.
So what you're saying is that besides only helping Pakistanis, you're also helping the local people as well, right?
Yeah, we are helping a lot of local peoples.
Right.
Our main motto is to help all the community, all the nationals of Uganda who are staying in Uganda. Even we have introduced 2 ambulances which are 100% free of cost for all the communities. One of the ambulance we have placed in the consulate of Pakistan in Uganda, and second we have put it in one of our mosque that is called Kololo Mosque.
Okay.
And that ambulance is free of cost for all the Ugandans, and mostly it is being using for the Ugandan nationals.
So do you guys also celebrate Pakistani days over here and the families get together or what?
All Pakistan days like 23rd March, 14th August, Eid Milan Party, 6th September,
Right.
Day.
All
those days.
All days are celebrated. What about when, you know, if there is a death case, कोई अगर फौत हो जाता है तो कोई पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी कुछ करती है उनके लिए?
हाँ, बहुत खुशी है। जितने भी रिसेंटली मतलब 2-3 साल में हुए ना कम से कम 8-10 कैजुअलिटीज हुई हैं। हमने टिकट भी दी हैं, उनमें हमने ऑलमोस्ट यानी कि हमने आपस में कंट्रीब्यूशन करके $10,000 के भी साथ भेजे उनके ना।
अच्छा।
हाँ, इतना हमने कंट्रीब्यूट किया। ये चैरिटी बहुत करते हैं अभी तक ना।
ठीक है।
बहुत ज्यादा लोकल के वजह से भी अपने लोगों में जो प्रॉब्लम होती है उनको भी
उनके लिहाज से भी that's very good.
Pakistan delegation is very respectable for us because they are our guests and we treat them better than our own guests because they are presenting Pakistan in Uganda.
Right.
And recently there was a delegation, parliamentarian delegations from the Pakistan. Quite number of people came from Pakistan. We supported them whatever they want. But most important thing was their moral support.
Right.
Where they should not feel anything danger in Uganda.
Right.
Uganda is a very safe country in this regard, and we tried our level best to provide them and to facilitate them in all the ways whatever they required as a national of Pakistan, and we as a national of Pakistan supported them in a proper way.
हम जब ये 9 तारीख को ना ये 12 अवल का प्रोग्राम बना रहे हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा।
और हम हर साल बनाते हैं और सारी कम्युनिटी आती है। अपनी कम्युनिटी के अलावा उसमें दूसरे मुल्कों जो मुसलमान कम्युनिटी है उसको भी हम इनवाइट करते हैं। हम एम्बेसीज को इनवाइट करते हैं। अच्छा, वो आते हैं। ठीक है। तुर्की एम्बेसी वाले आए थे, ईरान एम्बेसी वाले आए थे। तो अपने जितने भी इधर कम्युनिटीज हैं, अलतशी, बुरी कम्युनिटी, Ismailia, all the communities.
Okay, so that's one very good thing that the chairman has highlighted, Rabbani Saab, that whenever they have any type of programs, especially Pakistani days or any type of events are happening, they all call upon all the communities and everyone comes. That's the best part. And the embassies even, as you said, from Iran embassy, from other embassies, Turkish embassies, I think all those people also come. And
even communities, not only embassies.
Their communities also come and participate in that. That's a very good thing that Rabbani Sahab has highlighted, mashallah.
Actually, I would like to thank to all the government officials that whenever we requested them for any type of sport, like official sport, like approval for the celebration of Pakistan Independence Day or a celebration of Eid Miladun Nabi, they help us a lot. They help us in a good way. They show us what is the legal way to apply for it. They help us to do all that legal work. Even the security they provide us. Even they are very cooperative and very helping peoples around here. A part of that, when we had, like I told you, we had a medical camp and we had the blood donations.
Right.
Even up to the very senior officials, they help us a lot. And even they told us, okay, in future you will go to our village.
So what you're saying is that you get a very positive response from the government and very
even from the media.
Even from the media.
Even Uganda media.
Right.
When we celebrate any of our day, all Uganda media
is there, and they support you.
And they support you, and
that's very good, Rabbani Sahab. That's very good.
Now, I would like to add also that a part of Pakistan National Days, we are also celebrating Eid Milan parties, like all the families making get-togethers. The full day we enjoy with the different type of sports, like you can say children are running, children are playing cricket, there's a cricket match, there's a football match, there is a running, jumping, a lot of things. A full Halla Gulla program comes over there.
Right.
And it's really, really enjoyable for all the families and for all the Pakistanis. And in this condition, very many families even told us that we don't find this type of events even in Pakistan. What you people are doing here.
That's very good.
It's really enjoyable for the new families when they see us, how we are celebrating.
Seeing so many things from Pakistan and having so many Pakistani families, I don't think you guys ever feel, or your families ever feel, that they are outside Pakistan.
Yeah, it's a very important question. We are here and it looks like all the Pakistanis, and we are here and it looks like we are still in Pakistan and celebrating all our events. What we can manage in Pakistan is very easy to manage in Uganda as well.
Yeah. So no hurdles and
no hurdles, no any problem from the higher authorities. They allow us. They are very cooperative. We can celebrate outside the house. We can celebrate inside the house. They allow us. It is very comfortable, very officially allowed. We are together.
Right.
All the communities, all the religions, all the peoples, either it is Muslim or non-Muslim, we are on at one platform. Pakistan and Pakistan.
Right, so thank you both of you. Thank you so much for your time and giving me this chance to actually get your views and also highlighting Pakistan Society in Uganda. Whatever you guys are doing for them, it's really honorable. Thank you so much, both of you.
Thanks a lot for your cooperation with us.
No problem.
Yeah.
I'm really thankful to them that they gave me this chance and opportunity to highlight what they are doing here for the local people, for Pakistanis, for Muslims, for everybody overall. The social work they've been doing, the charities they have been doing, and I was really amazed. And I think this is a message I wanted to give to everybody out there, whoever you are, wherever you are. Besides taking care of your friends and family, you should also take care of your neighbors and help out as much or as many people as you can, or as much as you can, even guiding them on the right path, even telling them the right direction, or just telling them, like giving a moral support even matters a lot. So as being humans and as being Pakistanis and Muslims, everybody, I think we should work together and look on the long run for both the countries, Uganda and Pakistan, coming together anyway. This is a very good thing for me. Actually learned a lot from them, and I think you guys will be also learning a lot from them. Wherever you are, like Pakistanis, wherever you are, you should actually pick up these things, and I think if you're doing all this, then salute to you. If you're not, then you should learn from these things. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.